Hello, folks. Welcome to the latest edition of the NAREIT podcast, or NAREIT videocast in this case. Joining me is Jesse Stein. He's the Executive Managing Director with ETRE Financial. That's ETRE Financial. We're going to talk about their new ETRE Financial platform. So let's go ahead and bring him in. Jesse, how you doing?
Hi, Alan. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, very excited to have you on. So wanted to talk, like I mentioned, about your new product here. Can you explain, first of all, just what does this offer investors?
So the goal of ETRE Financial is to enhance three aspects of commercial real estate investment: accessibility, liquidity, and transparency. The core of our business is listing of single asset REITs, which will enable real estate investors the opportunity to access specific real estate opportunities in the public market. We feel in order to develop the necessary liquidity and transparency for these assets, it's important to provide information specific to these asset types. So we built an information and trading platform specifically designed for exchange-traded real estate, including portfolio REITs and single asset REITs that can provide real estate-related metrics such as cap rate and price per square foot in real time.
So, are these more analytical tools, or are they for trading also?
So the trading platform component of ETRE Financial currently offers two versions. The first is an information-only platform that provides real-time mark-to-market conversion from equity-type metrics into real estate metrics such as price per square foot, cap rate, loan-to-value, and it enables investors to make real estate valuation decisions in real time. The second version is a fully integrated order management system which allows users to trade all equity securities and to enter orders for portfolio REITs and electronic traded properties, not only in price per share, but also in price per square foot, price per key, and price per unit, depending on asset type.
So tell me, what is ETP?
ETP is an electronic traded property. It's a term that we've given for exchange-traded single-asset REIT equity securities. The ETP has an added attribute of being able to be priced and traded not only in price per share, but also in price per square foot, per unit, or per key, an attribute that the platform also extends to portfolio REITs.
And can you tell us just a little bit, what was the impetus behind the creation of your platform?
Well, despite being one of the largest asset classes in the world, real estate is still considered an alternative investment. We think that the major reason behind that is that global real estate investors don't have access to specific real estate investments in the public market. In the private sector, you can invest in a portfolio of real estate assets or in a single asset. In the public market, you can currently only invest in a portfolio structure. We feel that by introducing the opportunity to invest in a single real estate asset, such as an office building in San Francisco or a hotel in Miami, within the public market, the investor base for commercial real estate expands, and real estate becomes more of a mainstream investment rather than an alternative asset.
You mentioned that investor base. Do you envision this as a tool mainly for dedicated real estate investors, or is it something that you think that you could market to generalist investors as well?
Well, the end-to-end ETRE Financial platform will enhance accessibility and transparency for general investors, real estate investors, as well as active property owners, which broadens the profile of the commercial real estate investor. Investors will be able to improve their overall diversification strategy as they target specific asset criteria, the same way they currently can in the equity, fixed income, FX, and commodities market. For example, a current real estate investor may want to overweight his portfolio to multifamily in New York City or to luxury resorts in Hawaii. And the ETRE platform will allow them to do this.
All right, Jesse, interesting stuff. Thanks so much for joining us today.
All right, thanks a lot, Alan.
And for more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to check out REIT.com.